The Daily Cleanse brush is designed for gentle yet thorough daily sonic face cleansing for all skin types. Brush heads guard against stains and odor. Compatible with Soniclear Petite Elite. Removes dirt, sweat, makeup, oil and unclogs pores for clean and fresh-feeling skin every day. Soniclear brushes are longer-lasting and have built-in protection, replace every 6 months. Todd Beauty is a maker of award-winning at-home beauty devices and organically based skincare products sold through prestige retailers and exclusive spas throughout the world. We offer a complete destination category of beauty devices designed from an aesthetic and functional perspective to meet the needs and concerns of today's skincare customer while reinventing the shopping experience for the skincare customer of tomorrow. Top reviews from the United States. Great for deep clean, exfoliate. Not daily use with sensitive skin. I use this brush more for deep clean, exfoliation. I have mildly sensitive skin. I use it every other day with my CeraVe foaming cleanser and it works great. If I try to use this brush with my twice-a-day routine, it starts to irritate my skin. So I use the Todd Cashmere brush for my regular routine. They both work well in removing all makeup and leaving my skin soft and bright.